Hello friends, welcome you all to Daily Answer Writing Challenge of Jnandeep Academy. Today's questions. Question number 1. What is the main purpose of speedy trial? First question. Second question. Discuss the causes of judicial delays. So these two straightforward questions are there. First, purpose of speedy trial and discuss the causes of judicial delays in India. So basically, locus judicial trial is the locus, whereas improvement in justice delivery system, how to improve this judicial trial, is the main focus of this question. So we'll go for these points one by one and what it says. See, now we'll try to explain first part. What is the purpose of speedy trial? Why justice should be given in timely manner? Because as you must have heard one very important line, justice delayed is justice denied. So this point is very important from the justice delivery system in India. Justice delayed is justice denied. So why this speedy trial should be there? Everyone should be given timely justice. Then there are backlog of cases. As per one estimate of NCRB and Judicial Law Commission, almost 3 crore cases are pending at this particular situation in front of Indian judicial system. Then avoid money power and muscle power to take seat of the justice. The more delay is there in the cases, more and more money power and muscle power will come forward. Avoid unnecessary incarceration before conviction of a person to keep intact faith in judiciary of people. Right to speedy trial is a kind of fundamental right. Speedy Trial Act of 1974 USA, which says that speedy trial should be the basis of any justice delivery system. Indian CRPC does not have any such provision like there is a provision in US system. Examination of witnesses is the key factor where the more and more delay leads to more and more problems in the justice delivery. Women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and poor are at the loss of this entire uh, lackadaisical approach or the dilly-dally approach of justice delivery system. Then, what are the causes of judicial delays? Shortage of judges, delayed investigation, poor prosecution, non-appearance of witnesses, non-availability of lawyers in particular cases, inadequate number of courses, infrastructural, financial, all shortages, abuse of public interest litigation, unnecessary bombardment of many public interest litigations, poor arrangement of monitoring, tracking, and bunch of cases for hearing, frequent transfer of judges, hostile witnesses, lack of automation and modernization in judicial infrastructure, poor use of information and communication technology, and others. These are the certain important reasons why we have poor justice delivery system. Question number 2, a very straightforward question on which many points have been written, many data must have been read. So I am just giving a very straightforward answer to this question. What is Pegasus spyware? What are the surveillance laws in India? So in this particular question, locus is Pegasus spyware, focus surveillance laws in India, and conclusion, to avoid misuse of surveillance laws in India, what mechanism can be made by all concerned stakeholders to prevent any misuse of fundamental rights of the citizenry must be taken into consideration. That's all from my side. Keep watching and sharing with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.